children, today let's start with chapter number 1, that is plant kingdom. So in this chapter I will tell you about the different types of plants. So you can see that plants grow all over the world, but all plants are not of same kind. There are many types of plants that are found at different places, right? Some plants grow on land. कुछ plants आपको land पे दिखेंगे, कुछ आपको water में, कुछ desert में. Some are found on mountains and ice continent. And the place where particular plants grow and flourish comfortably is called its habitat. So plants develop certain features. जो plants होते हैं वो कुछ certain features develop करते हैं, right, which enable them to survive successfully in their habitat. Such feature is called adaptation. So according to habitat, if we talk about, we have divided into two types, that is terrestrial and aquatic plant. So first is terrestrial. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. These include grasses, shrubs, herbs, trees, and land can be desert. Mountain भी हो सकता है, hills भी और marshy area. Right, and they adapt some special features according to their environment. So there are different types of terrestrial plants. जैसे अगर हम बात करें desert plant, what we call them xerophytes, where they grow relatively in dry habitat. जो stems होती है वो profusely branched होती है, उनके stunt woody, dry और hard होती है. Leaves are reduced to spine. This help in reducing loss of water. क्या करता है? Loss of water को reduce करता है, right? Photosynthesis take place in the green stems. जो photosynthesis होती है वो green stems में होती है. And the roots are long and spread wide, so deep into the ground. और ये किसमें help करती है? To draw water. What it helps in drawing water. Like example, your cactus, prickly pear, date palm. These all are the example of desert plant, right? Next is plants of plain. Plants growing in plain are called mesophytes. They have lot of leaves and branches. उनके बहुत सारे leaves होती है, branches होती है. They shed their leaves in winter to prevent loss of water from plant. Like sesame, mango, peepal, banyan, right? They are the plants of plain. Now plants of hilly areas. Hilly regions have frequent rain. The common trees that grow in this region are pine, spruce, cedar or deodar. These trees are also known as coniferous. They are generally tall and straight. Many of them have needle-like leaves. When snow falls on them, what happen? जब बरस गिरती है तो इजली स्लाइड ऑफ कर जाती है, वो रुकती नहीं, राइट? इसी वजह से जो उनकी शेप होती है ये थोड़ी कोन की शेप में होती है. Plants of marshy area. The area with lot of water and sticky soil are called marshy area. जो clay होती है, it does not allow root of the plant to breathe. So the roots of the plant have come out to the soil. और वो कहते हैं breathe. मतलब soil से बाहर आती है तो breathe करती है. And what we call them breathing roots. ठीक है, जैसे आपका mangroves होगी, right? Like your rhizophora, mangrove, sundari tree. They all are the example of marshy area. Aquatic plants. Plants that grow near or inside water. What are these aquatic plants? इनको हम hydrophytes कहते हैं. What we call hydrophyte. For example, if we talk about floating plants, these plants float freely on the surface of water. जिनके stem है वो reduced होती है और जो roots होती है वो poorly developed होती है. इनके जो leaves होते हैं उसकी thin waxy coating होती है. कैसी होती है? Thin waxy coating होती है and not a wet surface. और ये कहते हैं stomata को block करती है. Some common floating plants are lamina, pistia, jussacea और आपका water high. Right, fixed plant. Roots of such plants are fixed in the mud. The leaves are broad and they have long, hollow petioles. और ये leaves और flowers क्या करते हैं? Float करने में help करते हैं. Like your trapa, like lotus and waterlily. Next is submerged. The plants which grows completely dipped in water. They are called submerged plant. ये fixed होता है to the soil with the help of roots. जो इनकी whole plant body होती है, क्या होती है? जो पूरी plant body होती है, leaves होती है, वो कहाँ रहती है? पानी के अंदर. And they breathe through their body surface. They clean the water by removing carbon dioxide. Common जो आपके submerged plant है वो आपके Hydrilla और Vallisneae, right? Now, I had told you about the different plants according to their habitat are divided into terrestrial and aquatic plants and some desert plants. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.